Johnson & Johnson supports the myeloma community in a variety of ways. The first and possibly most significant way is our commitment to delivering treatments for myeloma. And we have a very strong heritage of that, but we also aren't just happy with the status quo. We're really working towards the cure.
And I have to say, over the last 25 or so years, we've had an absolute revolution in the overall care of myeloma, not only based on the development of excellent new treatments, but also improvements in supportive care, our overall approach, so that somebody now diagnosed with myeloma hopefully can expect to live well beyond 10 to 15 years and much longer, and hopefully spend almost all of their time not in hospital, but out as a fully active member of the community.
J&J believes in empowering patients in managing their own disease insofar as is possible. And in this regard, J&J provides patient education materials to support them, but we also provide home administration services.
We found a route through innovatively working with business partners and HCPs to make that happen, where patients could get their treatments, their cancer treatments, injected in their own home. And that really transformed that therapy in terms of delivery systems. Over the course of maybe 10 years, there was over 9,000 visits, patient visits, and a couple of hundred patients that would have benefited.
No, he's been going.
Oh, very good.
In Ireland, we've funded and supported several different types of clinical studies. And it's been great to see, first of all, Irish patients getting maybe access to treatments that they would not get access to without a study, but also filling in particular data gaps or evidence generation needs locally for the country with these studies, and to see the results presented at big conferences and the impact that has on patient care has been really special for me personally to work on, but also that the company continues to invest in this to really try and push forward treatment and care for multiple myeloma.
We work really hard to facilitate as many clinical trials as we can in Ireland so that Irish patients can benefit from those innovations as quickly as possible through the clinical trial route.
Multiple Myeloma Ireland was set up in 2013 as a charity to provide support, information, research, and to enhance the patient journey. And we've ran 10 national annual information days for our patients and their families to attend, to meet with other patients and families. And that's to provide more information about what's happening out there and to provide support for the patients in terms of making their decisions around their treatment and making sure that they're informed when they go to meet with their consultant and decide about the appropriate treatment for their individual myeloma.
We have a partnership with Myeloma Patients Europe, and when we need to get patient perspectives, we engage directly with them. So in that way, we have a very strong cross-section of the patient community. And I'm delighted that Multiple Myeloma Ireland is involved with that network as well. So we can be assured that in a very systematic way, we are collecting that patient perspective.